Hey guys, how are you? I hope you all are fine and spending the good day with the great condition of your health. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Footwear Fashion Palace, and I am here with my another video, and my this video is about some flat casual footwears which looks really beautiful and really amazing. And as you see, this one is also a very nice yellow color, like flat footwear which looks really beautiful and really amazing. And this one is also a very nice black color, very low heighted heel. And this one is also a very pretty. It's very shiny from the back and front. And this also looks very beautiful. It's a very beautiful sponge. And watch this video till the end, then you will get some ideas about the different kind of footwears that can help you to upgrade the collection of your footwears and make it more interesting, more beautiful and pretty. And flat casual footwear is a comfortable and versatile option for everyday wear. From loafers and slip-ons to ballet flats and sneakers, flat shoes are designed to provide ease and relaxation for the feet. They are perfect for running errands, working, or engaging in casual activities and can be dressed up or down depending on the occasion. With a wide range of styles and designs available, flat casual footwear can suit various tastes and preferences. They're often made from breathable material like cotton, canvas, or leather, and feature soft cushioned insole for added comfort. Whether you're looking for a relaxed, laid back look or more polished, put together style, flat casual footwear is a great choice from casual outings to everyday wear. If you like this video, so don't forget to subscribe the channel. So today's video is about to end. Bye bye.